Hello, this is Henriette from TTU Space. I'm going to make this e-poster presentation. Here we see the ACCCI CI thickness time series from Envisat and Cryosat-2. The observations for evaluation of altimetry derived CI thicknesses are important to produce consistent time series, remove inter-satellite biases, and reduce uncertainties. The most important observations to evaluate radar altimetry-derived CI thicknesses are the CI thickness, CI freeboard, and snow depth. The observations that we have collected here are based on upward-looking sonar from moorings and submarines, airborne altimetry, snow radar and/or electromagnetics, ship observations, in situ drillings, and autonomous drifting buoys that includes ice mass balance buoys and snow depth buoys. In the ESA Climate Change Initiative for Sea Ice, we have collected all available Arctic and Antarctic validation data in a round-robin data package. So we see those here, and it covers back to the beginning of ERS1 up to present. With the dark colors, validation data is already within the data package, and those not or with light colors are not in there yet. This includes the ESA Cryovex campaign data and also the NASA Operation Icebridge for most of the Antarctic campaign. So there is a need to publish existing validation data sets as higher level products, and that's e.g. snow depth and freeboards with related errors. And this yields the ESA Cryosat validation experiment, Cryovex airborne campaign, as well as NASA Operation Icebridge Antarctic dataset. If we look at the regional distribution of the validation data, we have a good coverage in the Arctic, except for the Russian Arctic, primarily covered by first-year ice. In the Antarctic, we have much less sparse data, and the most data or we have present in the Weddell Sea and less in the Amundsen Basin. Here we see an example of using the validation data from observations to validate the CCI thicknesses from altimetry. So on the left, we have the upward-looking sonar from the BJEP project, and on the right, we have the Icebridge. And what this example states is that it demonstrates the impact of Cryosat-2 versus Envisat mission cross-calibration. Envisat is in this case biased low when compared to observation from Cryosat-2. And another point is that upward-looking moorings are only point measurements but provide seasonal variation, whereas NASA Operation Icebridge provides regional variation but can be biased as it is only collected in spring. Future needs, we need more focus on Antarctica as it is underrepresented. We need to produce higher level products of existing campaign data. We need continuation of existing observations and campaigns to secure consistent long-term evaluation of altimetry data. We need to secure observations to support the cross-validation between altimetry missions, for example, the Cryo2Ice, interseasonal validation, and regional variations. We need to design campaigns to support future missions, the Crystal mission, and we need to develop new technology to include drones and autonomous systems. And with this, I will thank you, and I hope to talk to you during the